The Super General 1.5-ton window air conditioner is designed to be powerful and efficient. It is ideal for small to medium-sized living rooms, bedrooms, shops, restaurants, gym or grocery shops. Easy to operate and maintain, the unit is amicably quiet, even at high cooling levels. The efficient rotary compressor requires minimal maintenance and saves you money on utility bills, while a 410 refrigerant ensures powerful cooling. The Goldfin anti-corrosive condenser coating can withstand even extreme weather conditions and prevents bacteria breeding while improving heat transfer efficiency. The auto swing button ensures cool air is delivered uniformly across the room. Other features include twist control knobs for simple operation, auto restart, an easy-to-clean removable filter, self-evaporative system. Enjoy refreshing cool air without any worry throughout the harsh summer months with the Super General window air conditioner from Super General. Super experts at cooling.